Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So today we're going to be reviewing these bone conduction earphones from ELIBOM. Bone conduction earphones are basically earphones that do not use classical speakers. They use vibrations that attach to the bone and actually bypass your ear. So I've never used these before, so I wanted to get my hands on some of these. And the folks over at Telcom sent me these, so thank you very much. So we're just going to go ahead and get this package unpacked, charge it up, sync to my phone, and then we'll test it and also try it out on the trails. So I've never really heard about this technology before until they contacted me, and I did a little research and it sounds pretty cool. So as I said earlier, it does not use classical speakers. These will just attach to the sides of your face, right near below or to the side of your ear, right on the bone there, and kind of vibrate, and you'll still be able to get regular sounds. And with that, you'll be able to also hear through your ears as well. So it's almost like you can be playing music and also listening to the noises outside, which would be great for when I'm out hiking and I don't want to worry about animals or anything, but still be able to listen to my music. So as you can see, I already unpacked the device. I'm just showing you some of the accessories that it comes with, which is a micro USB port, which I do wish was USB-C, but maybe in a later model. We do have our user guide there, and just a little carrying case that it comes with, which is pretty cool. The device itself feels pretty good quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and the accessories are pretty nice as well. This unit cost about $50, and I'll put the link in the description at the end of the video. Alright, now that we got the carrying case going, everything looks pretty good. Let's get this thing charged up. So we're just going to plug in our micro USB straight to the device and go ahead and let this charge. Now, they do advertise that you can get about 9 hours of audio on this thing, which is pretty good, especially if I'm out on the trails for a while. And when it's done charging, it will turn blue. Alright, now that it's done charging, you can go ahead and just turn on the long press the power button, and you'll see it flash red and blue, and that means it's in pairing mode. And that way you can just go ahead, grab your phone, click on it, click on the device, no password needed, and it will be on. Alright, now I got the device on my ear like so. As you can see, it's right next to my ear, and I'm just playing a little bit of music, and I'm quite surprised. It's not extremely loud, and the bass is not really great, but you do hear the music, and you can also hear out of your ears as well. It's pretty cool. Really fascinating technology. Okay, so let's get the device all packed up, and I'm going to take it on the trails and give it a little try out there and see how this thing holds up.
Okay, there they go. Look pretty good on the side, fit pretty well. Definitely can hear the music, but you can also hear the outside noise really well too. So that's what's really cool, is if you're hiking in the wilderness, places where there's animals, you're still gonna be able to hear people talking and still hear the music. Great, and great fit. They work perfectly fine, and they do not fall off your face. All right, day 2 with the bone headphones. Bone phones, if you want to call them. Just did a 6-mile hike, been able to run. Absolutely fantastic. There's coyotes in this area, and I want to be able to hear them, but also hear my music. So if you guys like these, I'll put a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. They do work very, very well, and they're pretty damn cheap. So if you guys want them, you can get them, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.